Audio Jungle.
Unlimited followers, guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can get unlimited followers on your Instagram account. So what you have to do, you have to just go to your search engine and type the hiketopplus.com and you will end up on this page. Here, what you have to do, you have to enter your username for the Instagram account. Once you add the username, it will ask you to change the bio. So what you have to do, you have to copy this and paste as into your biography on your Instagram account. So here I am showing live demonstration to you. What I have did is I just signed up with my username on the Instagram and they asked me to change the bio from the current bio to the next bio what they have given. So I have changed that bio and again I am going to sign in here and with my existing account and it will ask me to copy the bio from current bio to his given bio. I have to copy this bio and go to my Instagram account. Here I just copied this bio and I am going to open my current Instagram account and I will go to the setting and change my current profile bio to the given bio. So here what I have supposed to do, I just copied this and paste it here. As you can see, I have changed the bio as per the given bio. Now I will click on the next button and it will check that bio has been checked or not. If it is not correctly changed, then I have to change it. So here I am showing you that you have to do this step very correctly, else it will not allow you to enter the Hike Plus application. So make sure you added this correctly, and once you add this, go to the application and click on the next button. It will authorize you. After click on the next, it will authorize you and you can see authorization is successful. And what you have to do, you have now can able to get the followers. How? Let me show you step by step here what you have to do to get the unlimited followers. So here you can see there are many tasks available from the application itself, and make sure that you have this application on your phone, and after that only it will allow you to do any of the task. So I am downloading this application and I log in again after the installation. Here you can see I have installed this application correctly and I'll just again re-sign in with my user ID and the password on this application, and this is very genuine application, guys. Don't worry about the security. It has more security, it has more password protected, so your Instagram account is totally safe. We already checked this application and this is totally secure. So once you sign in, then again what you have to do, you have to just do the task here. What are the tasks available, and those tasks if you complete you will get the followers or likes in against to that task. You can also refer the code. I will put the code into the description. You can use my code to start with and you will get 30 diamonds for this if you refer my code. Then what you have to do is you have to go to the top option and select any of the task, and against the task you will get the diamonds. So what you have to do, you just have to select the task, and if it is asking you to follow this guy, and after the following, if you unfollow it, they will punish you. That means your diamond will get reduced. If you not unfollow them, then you will get the diamonds, and from the diamonds you can get unlimited number of followers instantly on your ID. So this is kind of a follow to follow task. However, this application is really genuine and you will get unlimited followers by using this application. What you have to do, you just simply check out the task, what are the tasks available, and just click on the follow button or the like button. Then against to that you will also get the followers. So this is the guys application, and all the details about this application I have shown you. and this is very unique technique. You can use this website or application to increase your followers. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel and like this video, share with your friend who wanted to become the influencers on the Instagram. Thank you.